So hi friends, I'm just preparing chicken liver as you can see. So I have first boiled the liver. So this is the liver now. So I have first boiled the liver, yeah, and then I've put oil in the pan. So I boiled the liver and I've taken out that all the liquid with salt and lime. And now I'm just frying I put oil here in this and I put this thing, curry patta and green chili, okay, inside, and some jeera and rye, and so and some bay leaf, and so I'm frying it, yeah. So when I'm frying it after a fast fire, then after a few minutes I have put the ginger and garlic. See, ginger and garlic. So 1 teaspoon of garlic and about a 3/4 teaspoon of ginger. So now I'm frying it well, yeah. And I've got some spice ready here. So you have got some roasted coriander, some cumin, some garam masala. So here I put some chili flakes as well, yeah. And a little bit of garam masala and a little bit of cumin powder. So I put it now that it is fried, yeah. And I'll put in also some turmeric powder. Turmeric powder you have to put in afterwards. So sometimes it gives a bitter taste. So I put a bit, half spoon of turmeric powder. Yeah? And I put some so nicely it's frying, see. So now I'm frying it up nicely. You have to fry it nicely, yeah, slowly, so it doesn't burn. See friends, it is frying nicely now. Sorry, see friends, it's frying nicely. Yeah, so you fry it well, yeah. Okay, so just fry it well. So I'm just frying it well now, yeah. And then so just basically cooked. So now I'm just cutting some capsicum and some onion, which I will do a stir fry. Yeah, I don't have to really cook it because then the water comes out. So now you can taste for and I put coriander. So now you can taste for some salt and all. It really come nice, Put some salt in it, yeah, and then you can put some lime juice in this, yeah. I put some little bit lime juice in it. Yeah, I've done this. Now I'll just do. If you want, you can take out this and then you can do a stir fry and put it. That also you could do. You could take out this and then do a stir fry, yeah. I'll just remove this. Now this is actually like cooked. It's cooked and I'll do a stir fry. Just wait for a slow fire. Just wait for about 5-10 minutes, yeah. Just check and see if it's cooked actually. Yeah, it's cooked actually. It's cooked very nicely. So you can take, see now friends how it's come. See, it's come so nicely. So here, yeah. So now it's come like a real kadai one, yeah. You don't have to get from the shop. Now I can just remove if you want. Just remove in a bowl, and you can put the other just stir fry the onion. You don't want to put it with that, yeah. So you can remove it out first. See friends, it's come so nice. Yeah. So now I'll just remove it out, and I'll just give one toss for the other stuff, yeah. Put a little bit oil now and do the stir fry. Then you can mix it up. So now I'll put some oil here again back. I don't use a lot of oil. And so I just want to just share. You see how nice it's come? See? Yeah, it's come so nice. I will share with you. Yeah, see? Yeah, it's all coated with the masala. And now since the oil is hot, I'll just give a stir fry for this little bit onion and this, yeah? So I'll just give that a toss to the onion. Because you don't want it fried, you want it a little crunchy. Put a little bit salt in this. Yeah. And also you can put some little more pepper. So I'm just doing a second part. Because I'm just doing, so now I put some pepper. Some pepper powder. I will share with you, yeah? Now it's going to be ready very fast. So I'm frying the onions now. I'm frying the onions and also I'm giving a toss to the capsicum, yeah? It depends whether you like capsicum or don't put capsicum. Because I have the capsicum, like I don't like to waste, just let the veggies lie like that. So I'm going to waste the veggies. So I'm putting it. Depends whether you want to put or don't want to put it. Yeah? So it might get spoiled in the fridge. So I'm just putting some veggies here. Even the onion, which is not cut this one, I just cut it a little bit more. Oh, dear. Yeah, just cut this. The inside part I don't put of the onion, yeah? I take it off. So just see the veggies are frying very nicely. Because I'm not frying it. As soon as it turns a little bit transparent, so that's how you fry it, yeah? I'm not putting any sauce, nothing. So just showing you the veggies out here, see? So I'm just doing it on fast fire. It's come very nice. You can have it with noodles, or you can have it with chapatis, or you can have it with bread. Yeah? Just take out that inside part because that inside part is not good. So I don't do it for a long time. Yeah? I'm just doing it now. So friends, I will share with you. Yeah? Now I will share with you. I just made rice here, so I'm just got this little bit of the steam comes out, so I put that. Now the veggies are, as soon as it turns a little bit translucent, it is done, yeah? So the onions are turned translucent, I mean like this, see the color? It's not whitish. So now I've done this. Also I'm sharing with you, I have done this thing, the lamb kurma. So I kept it in the fridge. So see that the lamb kurma has come out so well. See the color of the lamb kurma. So yeah, so I will share with you after that. So now it's become actually. So now I'll put in this thing, the liver, the chicken liver. I put in the chicken liver, yeah. So see friends, I'm just sharing with you. See how nice it's come. See? So I'll just bring it closer and I'll show you. So see how well this has come. See my dish? See the dish? Yeah, so see how it's come? Yeah, sharing it is so nice it's come. So you can do this at home yourself, yeah? This is like, yeah, so I'm sharing with you, okay? More later. Bye for now.